a set of really high-quality building blocks, you can build something amazing without having to invent every single piece yourself.
Exactly. And knowing which framework to use, when to use it, that's where your experience and judgment come into play.
It shows you're not just like blindly following a recipe. You're making decisions, choosing the right tools for the situation.
And that's crucial for a cognizant consultant. They need people who can look at a client's needs, understand the tech landscape, and then recommend the solution that actually makes the most sense.
All right, so we've got the strategic importance of modern versus classic SharePoint. We've got the power of STFX for creating those custom solutions, and the role of JS frameworks in all of this. What I'm hearing is Cognizant is looking for SharePoint pros who can not only build stuff, but who can consult, who can guide their clients.
100%. They want people who speak both languages, right?
Yeah.
The language of business and the language of technology.
Now, this is the part of the interview where you really get to shine, right? Showcasing that experience. They specifically ask about your experience working on a team and, get this, how you would arrange data within SharePoint. It's like they're giving you a mini case study right there in the interview. It's like they're saying, okay, enough talk, show us what you got. They've seen the resume. Now they want to hear how you've actually used your SharePoint knowledge in the real world.
And this is where you can really set yourself apart from the other candidates. Think back to like your most challenging SharePoint migration, the one that, you learned the most from, the one you're really proud of. That's the story to tell.
Lights, camera, action interview, story time. But how do you make sure your story really, lands? How do you make it memorable?
Structure, structure, structure. It's all about structure. Think of it like you need a good setup, right? What was the challenge?
Yeah.
Then you need that decisive action. What did you do? And of course, a satisfying resolution. There's a framework for this, by the way, the STAR method.
Oh, I love a good framework. Love a good acronym. Break it down for us.
So the S, that's situation. Set the scene. Was it a company with a totally outdated intranet? Maybe a team that's just drowning in disorganized files. You really want to paint a picture of that initial challenge.
Really set the stage for the hero of our story, which is you.
Exactly. Then you've got the T, the task. What do they bring you in to do specifically? Migrate a ton of content, redesign the whole information architecture. This shows you understand their needs, you listened.
And